first 6-7 months of the entire year, we've seen a lot of resilience being at play despite all those sharp corrections. But in the last 3 months is when a consolidation, a correction has really taken place as well. Some of the froth that was, or the excesses were also taken out. After this recent correction, say about a 6% odd in October, about a percent odd in November, then about another 1.5% so far in December. After this, do you still feel that parts of the markets are still overvalued? Will we continue to see some more excesses being taken out as we move into the new year?
Well, unfortunately, I don't have good things to say from a near-term perspective. In the last couple of years, every time the markets corrected, they came back. They came
Yes.
back with a vengeance and they went on to make new lifetime highs. I mean, that's the perfect script that was playing out every single time in the last 2 years, whole of 23 and whole of 24. But in the last 6 weeks, for the first time in a long, long time, the markets attempted to recover, found resistance, and have again fallen off the cliff in the last 10 to 12 days. Clearly, the market is signaling to us that there is a problem and there is indeed genuine headwinds which the market is not able to clear in a hurry. So I think from a near-term perspective, I remain concerned. I would not have liked the markets to behave the way they have in the last 10 days. And therefore, I'm maintaining a cautious stroke bearish stance for the near term. And I think there is a high probability of the Nifty actually retesting the recent low of 23,300, possibly even breaking that. And if you ask me what's the worst case below that, maybe another 5-6% downside is possible. But that's more like a 2-month view because we need to handle the Trump factor in the month of January. We need to handle earnings, which I think is going to be extremely critical. And we also need to handle the point around FII selling and the budget expectation. So 4 major factors are going to be at play over the next 4 weeks. The charts are not in good shape. And I think the markets are going to weaken over the next 6 to 8 weeks. But if you're taking the view for whole of 2025, so if you're taking a 12 to 15 months view, I have no doubts that the bull market is still intact. And post this correction, which could be slightly deeper, I think you are going to find some amazing opportunities. And being in the right pockets for the 12 to 18 months, I think is something which investors should plan for.